Alright, here's what happens when you use your chainsaw as a stump grinder. You get all mud and the chain gets real loose, and of course the chain's super dull. So I was cutting out some roots and trying to get a stump out. So I was using this saw. This is my $100 pull-in Home Depot special. So what I want to do now is get the chain off and get it sharpened. I got the sharpener set up. So first step is to get the chain off and clean it all up. Oh, I got this side cover off, and look at the mud in that thing. It's all packed in there. I got to clean that up. Alright, I got all my parts cleaned and ready to sharpen the chain. Alright, let's see how sharp I got it. Oh, it's sharp enough.